Hey, yo, man, check this stuff out.
Hey man, where'd you get that powder?
I got this magic powder from Food for Less, yo.
Dang, how much is it?
It like $1.50 with a coupon.
Man, I'm gonna ride over there.
Yeah, man.
You know, that's a good question.
Weren't we just like thirsty or something?
We were thirsty. We started drinking. We're like, man, this water needs something. We saw this powder in his cabinet. It must have been there for a while, but dude, it still tastes good. We put it straight up in there and mixed it up. And we're like, dang!
I was like, damn,
Stuff
bro.
good. So we started getting hyper and stuff. We went to the club. We were up all night. We're like, dude, this stuff is awesome. We need to make a song about this.
And that's exactly what we did. We made a song about it.
Exactly what we did.
And it's like #1 on billboards right now.
Yeah.
Not really, but in my mind it is.
Yeah, in my dreams I'm like, dang, we're good. But one day we'll be.
My bites are big because I do all the curls. K-O-O-L to the A. That's what you drink when you get paid. You also get speed and
I'll let you take this one first, yo.
Dude, our hobbies. All right, first of all, we like staying fit.
That's right. That's why we got the weights
Gotta
right
look
here.
good for the ladies. What is this, like 300?
At least.
At least,
At least.
the Spartan warriors inspired us. And then also every day, we just like, man, what else should we do? And we just like, we'll do whatever. We ride around, cruise around, go Woodward Park, crazy area.
Sometimes we like helping orphans, the elderly, maybe like walking a dog.
Yeah, you gotta help the elderly. You gotta do your things for the people.
Hey, yo, we give with our raps and our hearts. We like helping
A, P to the E. That's what you drink when you roll with me. Drink it up, swallow it down. It don't matter if your skin ain't brown.
Actually, I was like inspired one day, and I was like, yo, I'm gonna make another song. So I did, and I was like, yo, what do our fans really want to hear? And I was like, yo, they don't really know what we do they?
No, yeah, we were like, man, we need to tell them what we do every day.
So that's what we did. We made a song about an average day in the life of a thug.
Yeah, man.
And that one's coming to you soon, just as soon as we done with our show.
Yeah.
So we have a little more time.
Cause we're busy practicing and stuff,
Like,
man.
yeah, the beat's done, the lyrics are done. We just
Sick,
gotta
man.
record.
Sick.
Hey, this is Chronicles of Kronk. We appreciate your time.
Yeah, we appreciate you guys, man. We don't take you for granted, no.
Tell our friends, tell your friends about us, and we love you.
Hey, yeah, don't forget to get crunk.
Get crunk, yeah.
Hey man.
Booty, 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 rocking everywhere. Grab a Kool-Aid and grab a chair. Get a girl, get your lap dance, get the picture man, and do the no pants dance.